How do you access Control Center on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing as there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, in the latest version of the watchOS, which is the watchOS 26, you have to press the side button to make the Control Center show up, right? So it's not the digital crown, it's not even the action button, which is part of the Ultra model, but it's like this power button or side button. You click it like that and it will make the Control Center appear. You can scroll through it, control the Wi-Fi and the sounds and all of that. You can even edit it below when you scroll down and click on edit and customize, and you can reorganize it, perhaps add or remove some things, right? So that's how it works. But I do get it why it seemed a little bit confusing, because in the past we used to swipe up from the bottom on the Apple Watch to get to the Control Center, which is not really the case anymore, and we just use this method now. So, it's always a good idea to keep your watch up to date so you have the latest features. But of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel as well so you do not miss the next updates. In case it changes again, I'll most definitely update you about what's going on. So stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos similar to this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.